Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, daily chart. You can see lots of tests of the 9-day, lots of tests of weekly pivot. We talked about being, can the bears convert today? Today, their task is to convert the weekly and the 9-day, and that could open up a move to the green line there in the 20-day, the middle Bollinger Band down at around 38.54. It's not really all that out of the question. It's just one, it's just one push down over the course of a couple of days. In the hourly chart, you can see all-time high. They brought it off yesterday, consolidated a little bit, little head fake to the downside. They brought it up, and honestly, taking it back here is probably one of the better jobs the Bears have done over the last few days. So, we did a lot yesterday. We had a couple really nice shorts. We ended up in a really nice long from 16.5 that we ended up taking off last night. There was a little bit of China news about tariffs in U.S. and China that kind of shook the market up a little bit and got a short in the 24 area, which went well, but we got washed out of that about 4 o'clock in the morning. So we just re-entered about 45 minutes ago against weekly pivot. And I'm wondering if it can take out this low here, 39.04 half, and if they can, then they can challenge the lows from yesterday. So we'll see how that plays out. So as far as today is concerned, it's really going to be about where we close. I'm a broken record every day, but you see weekly pivot, you see the 9-day, you see the task that's before the bears. Close below the levels. They had a chance to do it yesterday. They traded below them, but they didn't close below them. Close below these two lines. Then stay below them for an entire day. If they're able to do that, then I would argue de facto we're sub 3,900 at that point. And if that's the case, then like I said before, you have a chance to push in and go back and revert to the mean on the daily chart, which is 38. Right now it's 38.54. That price would be rising over time. The daily mid band. So you've got volume weighted average price today locked up with the daily pivot at 18.5. Weekly pivot 16.75. You see it there on the chart. Proprietary moving average coming in about 13. Your hourly mid band is about 20.75. So there's your lower low. So we'll be taking some profits down here in the room. But if they can seal off weekly pivot, make a lower low, challenge this, close below here, and you have a chance to do what the bears typically do not do. Talked about this forever. Who's in control of the weekly pivot as you head into Thursday, Friday, where there tends to be more directional pricing? Is it resistance? Is it support? Well, they've been fighting over it all week. And look, the bulls had their chances. Here, got it back here, and they're not getting it done. And now we're sub 3,900. So we'll see how this plays out over the course of the day. Watch where we close. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Stay warm. I got a lot of subscribers down in Texas, and we're thinking about you every day. Just stay warm. And here in the Northeast, be careful because it's coming down like crazy. At least it is here in New Jersey. We're going to get 8 to 10 inches of snow today, they're saying. All the best. Trade them well. Come check out the room. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.